welcome to Leaders of Tomorrow. Every week we bring you inspiring success stories of Indian SMEs from different sectors. Our next story is of a company that's providing this essential service across the country. Today it's making good use of technology to ensure faster and safer delivery of its goods. India's transport sector is large and diverse. It moves goods and people, employs millions of workers, generates revenue, and consumes materials and services produced by the other sectors of the economy. Foreseeing the growth in the transport sector, Subhash Chandra Agarwal, a visionary entrepreneur from Jalandhar, saw the potential in pharma transportation in Pune. With his sharp business acumen and strong technical background in the transport industry, he established Bhoruka Logistics in the year 1997.
1968 में मैंने स्टार्ट किया ट्रांसपोर्ट बिजनेस जमशेदपुर से, फिर मैं 71 में पूना आ गया। पूना में आने के बाद देखा मैंने कि यहाँ पर काफ़ी स्कोप है, काफ़ी ग्रोथ है, लेकिन फार्मा के लिए कितना कोई वो नहीं है, ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है। फिर मैंने मेनली फोकस किया फार्मा के लिए। फिर मैंने अपनी कंपनी सेटअप की भोरुका लॉजिस्टिक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड 1997 में।
Bhoruka Logistics has more than 160 container trucks with 51 branches and warehouses spread across the country. The company is a family-owned business that is today led by second-generation entrepreneurs Rahul and Kunal Agarwal, two young businessmen who, with their strong educational background and father's guidance, have made the company a pioneer in pharma and FMCG logistics.
Bhoruka Logistics has 51 branches spread across the country. We have 160 container vehicles of our own, which again run across the various locations. And we are providing an entire range of services to our customers, which includes LTL, FTL and inbound logistics. And shortly we would be entering the express cargo domain.
The company believes in incorporating latest technology to increase the efficiency, safety and timely delivery of its goods. For instance, a GPS is installed in every truck of Bhoruka's. This helps keep track of its exact position and movement on the highways, minimizing the company's losses, especially while transporting high-value consignments from one place to another.
All our trucks have been recently fitted with GPS after a lot of trial and errors, and a lot of capital investment has been made in that. Now we can track down our vehicles right down to the last meter, and a lot of SOPs have been put in place in terms of the running of the fleet, wherein trucks are not allowed to run at night at certain designated spots which are prone to thefts, and the use of this new technology has helped us a lot. We have also gone in for an online ERP across the organization, and the GPS is now in the process of being integrated with the ERP.
The company caters to a wide range of multinational clients like Sanofi Aventis, Merck Limited, Glaxo and others. Bhoruka's believes in bringing a one-stop solution to its clients, for which all the branches in the company have their own warehouses where goods are stored with safety and security. This has given Bhoruka's an edge over its competitors.
Major clients of Bhoruka Logistics include companies like Wockhardt Limited, Ranbaxy Limited, Lupin Laboratories Limited, and multinational companies like Merck Limited, Glaxo, Pfizer and Sanofi Aventis. The FMCG customers include customers like Reckitt Benckiser, Hindustan Lever, Henkel India Limited, and we are also tapping customers like Procter & Gamble and Dabur very shortly.
Bhoruka Logistics understands the importance of training and communication in its business. As a result, it regularly conducts training programs for drivers, upgrading their knowledge on health, safety and skills. The company attributes its success to its strong team, right from the top-level management to the drivers who play a key role in achieving a good market position.
I would attribute our company's success to our entire team, right from our MD to our drivers. Our team of drivers is very good, and had it not been for them, we would be, not able to achieve this kind of growth that they've achieved. They are our brand, they are the ones who take us into the market.
कंपनी की तरफ से हमारे सारी सुविधा है भोरुका की तरफ से, और रात को 10 बजे से गाड़ी सो जाते हैं लगा के, सुबह 5 बजे उठते हैं। पूरी कमरा दे रखा है हमारे को रहने के लिए, पूरा स्टाफ अच्छा है, मैनेजर लोग अच्छे हैं, सेठ भी अच्छे हैं।
The transport and logistics sector holds a key position in a developing economy like ours. With better infrastructure, good roads and safety solutions, this sector can help the country in accelerating its economic growth.